Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you guys how I did this diva ring light for under $25, I believe. I bought this wire wreath from Walmart for $2.97, and I just drew that on the cardboard, and I just cut that with this little knife. I cut the exact same shape that I drew before, and once I was done cutting it, I just used aluminum foil to wrap around it because the foil give the light this reflection. It just like bounced back almost, I would say. And once I was done wrapping it with the foil paper, I got the wreath and I wrapped it around with this LED wood light, which is only $12.98 at Walmart. I think it's $12.88 at Walmart. And I just wrap it around with zip ties. I tied it with zip ties on the wire wreath. And once I was almost done with the wire wreath, I just I had to use picture wires because I did not have enough zip ties, because I guess I didn't think about it really, because I only bought one bag of zip ties and it wasn't enough. And I had this extra LED wood light, so I put it through the wreath. That way I could have my outlet in the back of the ring light when I have it on and not in the front. It's just a preference. And once I was done, I just took the more picture wire and I just tied the rest of it around it, like in the front on the inside, and I just put it right back on the cardboard that I cut before with the foil on it, and I poked these little holes in it so I could tie it around with the picture wire. You guys can use zip ties or picture wire, and I just wrapped it around with wax paper and taped it in the back. I left the light in the front and the foil in the back, and I taped it around with the wax paper. That way I could have a softer glow. And I just needed a stand, so I used this napkin holder, tied it around with zip ties, but since I didn't have enough zip ties, I only had two left. I just ended up using yarn just to have it stable enough, because yarn is cotton, so it was fine. These pictures were taken with just the ring light and no other lights at all, and it was at nighttime. Thanks guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thanks.